and all, I'm really happy with the sales result. We grew by more than 4%, which is, I think, good for us. It shows it's a new product, it's coming along well. We grew around the world, which means we have the right strategy, so I'm quite satisfied with 2017. Yeah, Jetta is for Volkswagen a very important model. We have a young customer, very loyal customer there. Many people, when they went to university, they had as a first car the Jetta. It's a beloved car. I think it's a car which is well suited for the American market. We have a huge tradition there. And we come now with a model which I think is really state of the art. It will set a new benchmark in this class. It's a sedan. I think it's sharp, it's nicely designed, it brings the newest technology, and it will really set the benchmark in this segment. Collision avoidance, automatic braking systems, digital interior, fully connected, so a very, very modern car, but still a Jetta. Yeah, MQB is our worldwide platform, means the technology we use from China to Europe, to the United States. It's probably the most sophisticated car platform in the A segment. We have high volumes, and that allows us to be very competitive there. We can really offer latest technology at a very reasonable price. Sedans play a major role still. Crossovers, SUVs are growing probably a bit faster, but sedans are really big segments now, and you can't give them up. So we think with the whole increased product substance, with a sharp, nice design, we are confident to gain market share in the sedan segment.